I'm like trying to make sure. Yeah. Hi, Suds with E. Hello. Yeah, I have fabric softeners, dish soaps, whatever you guys are interested in, let me know. I added in those 4 of these. The fluffy is $3 and I have 3 of them. I added 4 of these and then a $2 dish soap. Let's do a dish soap then with this sponge. Take these bulbs off because I don't really like them. They're bothering me already. Yeah, we don't have any cans going in so far, any powder, so if you want to send, you can. I have a $6 fabric softener, and then I have 3 $3 fabric softeners. Hi, Foca babe. Hello. We're just doing an everything overload. I have cans, liquids, dish soaps, laundry powders. I have Ariel, I have Roma, Comet cans. I have pine panelin liquid for $2. I have lemon Lysol. I have 2 of those. $2 dish soaps. I have scrub free. I have fabric softeners. We have Comet cans. I have pine panelin, the bigger jug thingies. Thank you, love. Yeah, if anyone's interested in anything, please feel free to let me know. We have more dish soaps. If you guys want to do more suds, we can. For any sud lovers in here. We have $6 dish soaps and then $2 dish soaps. Do you want more liquid, Ari? Dish soap? Cans? Fabric softener? Tidy bowl? What would you like, babe? We can add laundry powder. Or do you just want me to pick? Hi, Stasia. Can the bottom. Let me fix these sponges. Can't really see how they're at, where they are, but we'll figure that out. Hi, Pasty G. Hi. Hi, Tina. If you're coming in, I promise I'm not trying to miss you. I miss comments. Hi, Tink. Do a little bit of laundry on, oops, laundry on top. I have Comet cans, Ariel bags. I have one Roma bag left, 2 Ariel bags. I have lots of Pineapple, $2. I have the bigger bottles. I have Ajax dish soap. They're the bigger bottles. I have fabric softeners. And lots of liquid.